How to create a playlist on Spotify. Hello everyone, welcome. In this video I will show you how to do this. Just watch and follow this video till the end. So first go to your Spotify and it will open directly here on your home page. For example, I will choose some music to create a playlist. So I will, for example, choose this music. I will just come here to this three line and click on add to playlist. Right now I have like an old playlist. Click new playlist. For example, I will name it. For example, rap. Click create, and that's it. And for example, I would choose another picture, another song, guys. For example, this Anad. I will wait it until it's over, and I will choose another song and I will add it to my playlist. For example, I will choose, I don't know this, yeah, I don't know, it's too much add here because I have free account. So that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you in another video.